breakfast time. Ayan guys, mint with tea. Breakfast muna tayo guys. Then bread, sliced bread. So ayan guys, ang aking breakfast. Ito guys, masarap kasi guys yung may mint. Dahil ano siya, parang ano, sarap sa pakiramdam. At saka mabango sa hininga guys ang mint. So nilagyan ko siya ng mint. So ayan guys yung nilagay kong mint leaves. So yan, thank you for watching. Let's breakfast.